This is Megan from Wisephone. Let's walk through the initial setup of your Wisephone 2. First things first, make sure you power on the device using the small button on the right side. Once the device is on, it will take you to the home screen. Next, make sure to connect your Wisephone to Wi-Fi. This can be found under the System Settings in the Wisephone settings, or by sliding down from the top right corner on the home screen. Once Wi-Fi is connected, you'll see a Setup button. Go ahead and select it. This will take you to the Portal login screen. You will need Portal access to manage your Wisephone 2. If you prefer to sign up for the Portal using a desktop web browser, go to portal.wisephone.com. Here, you can either sign in if you already have an account, or sign up for a new Wisephone account. Next, if this is your first time logging in, you'll confirm your age. After that, enter the personal information of the account manager. Once that's done, you'll receive a text message containing your verification code. Once that is entered, you'll move on to connecting your Wisephone. Tap Get Started, grab your tube packaging, and locate the IMEI number on your label, and input it into the Wisephone IMEI field. If you've already thrown out your tube, the IMEI can also be found in System Settings. Scroll down to About Phone, and you'll see the IMEI1 number. Long press your finger over the slot 1 number to copy it to your clipboard, then back out to your home screen to select Setup. You'll need to enter your IMEI number twice. If you copy the number to your clipboard, tap in the IMEI field twice and select Paste. Next, enter any active phone number. It could be an old or current number, a guardian's, or any working number. This number can be changed at any time. Give the device a name and select Done. You should now be on your device's page. Tap on the device you just attached. At this point, you can either activate a subscription with carrier service provided by Wisephone, or if you're bringing your own carrier, you can activate a WiseOS subscription. Simply fill out the payment information and select Subscribe when finished. If you chose the Wisephone carrier plan, you'll need to activate the SIM card. To do that, just scan the barcode on the included Wisephone SIM card. This can also be manually entered. After that, enter your Wisephone's IMEI number, then choose a data plan. Data is the only difference in our plans. We have a 1 GB, 5 GB, or unlimited, throttled at 50 GB. WiseOS subscription is included with all 3 plans. From here, you'll review your details, confirm your plan, enter your billing information, and choose to transfer your existing phone number or activate a new phone number that will be auto-assigned based on your billing zip code. If you choose to transfer your phone number from your current carrier, you will need to obtain your account credentials, the account owner's name, address, billing account number, and transfer PIN. It is super important that all details match 100%. If you choose to activate a new phone number, you can expect to receive an email confirmation once the number is active. The same applies when your number has successfully transferred over. Once confirmed, insert the correct SIM card into your Wisephone. If using your own service, you need to insert a physical SIM card from your carrier. When you're ready, tap the X in the top left and then go into Setup. Select your device, toggle optional features on or off, then tap Complete Setup to remove the Setup button from your home screen. And you're all set. That's it for this video. Check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials.